Hi, my name is John. As I was getting older, my wife informed me that my snoring was getting a lot worse. I did some research and I was looking for some innovative ways that I could stop my snoring. I came across the pillow procedure, and after further research I found Dr. Salin, and I made a consultation to see him. It was very easy. After our first meeting I decided to go with the process. The procedure was very simple, very painless, and since I've had it done now, maybe 3 months now, I believe it has worked tremendously. My wife has told me I've stopped snoring. I'm happy.